Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're doing a light output video of 40-inch white light bars on a Chevy Suburban. So these are the factory low beams. This is a 40-inch light bar, and this is two 40-inch light bars. Once again, one 40-inch factory low beams. One 40-inch factory low beams. We are going to do the same thing with the high beams to show you. These are the factory high beams. This is a 40-inch light bar, and this is two 40-inch light bars. Notice how much more additional light you get. Thank you very much, and I know you're going to love the product.